Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to access another computer remotely using AnyDesk. First, go to anydesk.com and click on Download Now. When the download is finished, open the file. A window will appear, so click on Install AnyDesk on this device. Then click Accept and Install to complete the installation. Now AnyDesk is installed on your computer. You'll need to do the same thing on the computer you want to access remotely. Install AnyDesk on that device as well. Once both computers have AnyDesk installed, go back to the New Session tab. You'll see a unique code with numbers displayed on your screen. This is your AnyDesk address. Give this code to the person who will access your computer. They need to enter it in the Enter Remote Address field on their AnyDesk. Then wait for the other computer to grant you access by accepting the connection request, like this. And voila! You're now controlling another computer remotely. You can see their screen, move their mouse, and use their computer as if you were sitting right in front of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.